Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 37 of Qaida, and it is related to Waaw Saghira and Ya Saghira. Waaw Saghira means a small wow, and it is equivalent to a proper wow. So you will consider it when you're pronouncing it just like a normal wow. So wow means wow, and as-saghira means small, small wow. So how will how will we pronounce it? We will pronounce it just like a big wow. We will consider it just like a big wow as we pronounce big wow. We will consider the wow saghira the same way. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عي عين from your throat for kasra give E sound and عين kasra عي ba is 2 counts long. You remember there are 3 حروف مد طبيعي, natural vowels, naturally long vowels, and those are ألف ساكنة قبلها مفتوح, واو ساكنة قبلها مضموم, and يا ساكنة قبلها مكسور. ألف followed by fatha, واو followed by dhamma, and ya followed by kasra. So this combination matches the first one. Alif with sukoon, and it should be followed by fatha. So it is long vowel. Ba, ri, ba, da. That is short. Who. Look, this who. Why this who is 2 counts long? Because actually this matches the second combination. Waw sakina qablaha madmum. This wow is considered as a big wow. If you wanted to write it in other way, you can write it like this. Look, I'm writing it for you. Ooh. Yes. And this is the same thing. So you will say it who 2 counts long. Ibada who. How will you start? Ibada. Fa will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get hums. But fa is an exceptional case. Whenever you find fa in any state, with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or sukoon, any way it will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. So this sound should be there whenever you pronounce fa. Fa, and this is a short vowel, la, short, who is 2 counts long because you are taking this small vowel just like a big vowel. So if you wanted to write it another way, it can be written like this, the same way. Who, and it will be 2 counts long because this matches this combination, the second combination. Falahu. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon and the long vowel will be dropped. Falah. Look how I'm applying hums in fa. Falah. And how will get rakhawa? Because whenever ha with ha will be in sukoon state, it will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of breath. So the sound should flow very well. Falah. Qaf is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H, and it is attached with wow, and this combination is lean. Wow, sakina followed by fatha, ya sakina followed by fatha. These 2 combinations are called huruf lean. This is called wow lean, and this is called ya lean. So you have to stretch it 2 counts long, yes, and it it will be said very softly. Waaw. You will give sufficient time on fatha and attach, and you will join it with wow with a very soft sound. Waaw. Take your time. Don't rush to say this lean because it will take 2 counts long time. Waaw. For Dhamma, circle your lips. And this is a short vowel. Who. 2 counts long because you are considering this wow, this small wow, which is called wow saghira, as a big normal natural wow. And if you wanted to write it another way, it can be written like this. Wow. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of breath. So the sound shouldn't stop. Hamza should be from your throat. This is a shidda letter, so we will write capital H and S shidda. And Hamza for Fatha, open your jaws, attach with Meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. This is part of Len Omar. Whenever these letters are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So the sound should flow little. Uru. Ra is heavy here. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy, and heavy ra sounds like uru. Ru. Ru. Again, this is 2 counts long because you are taking this small vowel just like a normal big vowel. So this combination can be written like this. Amruhu. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and when ha is with sukoon, it will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. The sound should flow. Amruhu. How will you stop? Amruhu. This is a rakhawa. This hu sound going on is called rakhawa. Ain from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Short. Lu for dhamma. For every dhamma in Quran, make sure you are circling your lips very well. This sound is short. Lu. Hu. It is 2 counts long. Amaluhu. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and it will get sifa of rakhawa. It means the sound should flow very well. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. Amaluhu. This hu sound is rakhawa. Khi. Ha is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H. Khi. Da is 2 counts long, and you already learned that this standing fatha is just like a big normal alif. So if you wanted to write it in another way, it can be written like da, like this. Yes, da, because this standing fatha is just like a normal long alif. For dhamma, circle your lips. Hu, 2 counts long. Vowel, and how will you stop? You will simply give sukoon, and ha with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. So you will not stop the sound. It should flow very well. This is the way you will say in continuation. How will you stop? You will say khitamuhu. Ki, kaf is a light sound. For kasra, give e sound. The vowel is very short. Ki, ta is 2 counts long because this standing fatha is just like alif. So you can write it another way, just like this. Ta, ki, ta, ba is short. Hu, because you are taking this wow just like a normal wow. So if you wanted to write it another way, it can be written like this. So surely you will make it 2 counts long because this combination matches this combination. Wow followed by dhamma will get 2 counts long. sound. Kitabuhu. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and this ha will get sifa rafawa, and the sound should flow very well. How will you stop? Listen carefully. Kitab, kitabah, kitabah, kitabahu. How will you stop? Kitabah. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short, but ain should be short, and for fatha, open your jaws. The is 2 counts long. The makhraj of dal is when you are touching tip of your tongue to the edge of your frontal two teeth. This is the place from where you will pronounce dal, and it is 2 counts long. Adab, ba is short, who 2 counts long, because this combination matches this combination. Wow, sakina followed by dhamma, so it will be 2 counts long. Adabahu. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and this how whenever it gets sukoon, we'll get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Adabahu. Da is 2 counts long because this combination matches this combination, and this is a naturally long vowel. And this is alif sakina followed by fatha. Da, woo, 2 counts long because you are taking this small vowel just like a big vowel. So this combination matches this combination. So it is 2 counts long. The woo, do is short. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. With this temporary sukoon, you found what 2 counts long vowel is behind it. So whenever temporary sukoon is followed by 2 counts long vowel, this temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. So this process is called mad arid lis sukoon. This 2 counts long vowel is being changed because of this temporary sukoon. So this is why this is called mad. Mad means to stretch. Arid lis sukoon because of the temporary sukoon. This is a temporary sukoon. And when you are giving sukoon on dal, so qutu wujatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. So you are applying sifa of qalqala on dal. Qutu wujatin, yes. Qutu wujatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Dawood. Wa. For fatha, open your jaws. How will you pronounce wow? You will just circle your lips. By circling your lips, you are good to pronounce wow. Wa, ri, ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. This light ra sounds like ri. Wa, ri, tha. How will you pronounce tha? Tha is when your tip of your tongue will touch the edge of your frontal two teeth, will pronounce tha. Tha, wari, tha, who is 2 counts long because you are taking this wow just like a normal big wow. And this is wow sakina qablaha madnoon. Wow for wow sakina is followed by dhamma. So this is why it is 2 counts long. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon, and this will drop the mud letter. And whenever ha is with sukoon, we'll get sifa of rakhawa. So the sound shouldn't flow with ha. Waritha, how will you say in continuation? First, this is warithahu. And now, how will you stop? Waritha. This, when you are stopping, giving sukoon, this is the place where rakhawa will activate. Waritha. Yeah is a soft letter. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Yeah. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. And heavy ra sounds like ra. Yeah. Ra. Make sure you don't circle your lips to make any letter heavy. Don't ever circle your lips. The lips should be in a natural, normal position, but your jaws are open to pronounce fatha. Ya, ra, hu. Hu is 2 counts long. Ya, ra, hu. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon and it will get sifa of raqawa. Ya, ra, wa. Circle your lips for to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa. Tha is 2 counts long. Of is a heavy letter and this is short. Who is 2 counts long. Vowel. Wathaqahu. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end and it will we have to apply sifa of rakhawa on ha because ha is a rakhawa letter. Wathaqahu. This sound is رخاوة. وثاقه. خ is a heavy letter, so we'll write capital H. In capital H stands for heavy letter. خ, the sound is short. La, short. Of is heavy and short. خلقه. Who is 2 counts long. خلقه. How will you stop? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and this ha will get sifa of raqawa. And raqawa is a flow of sound. خلقه. How will you stop? خلقه. The sifa of raqawa is activated just when you are giving sukoon, not with mutaharika ha, not with the ha, with fatha dhamma kasra. Okay. Hamza is a sharp sound, so you can write shidda harf. Yes, it's a very sharp sound. It should be from your throat. The makhraj is cut off right away. The sound shouldn't flow at all. And for fatha, open your jaws. Ma is 2 counts long. Alif sakna followed by fatha is a 2 counts long vowel. Ma ta is short. Who 2 counts long. Amatahu. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and giving sukoon on ha we have to apply sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa flow of sound. Amatahu. Amatahu. Riz. Ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Now it is attached with za. Za will get sifa of safir. There should be a buzzing sound into it. And it has a rakhawa, so sound should flow very well. Riz. Riz. This is Z sound. This za has a buzzing Z sound. Don't give a snaky sound. Seen sound is attached to seen, not za. So this shouldn't be a mix of S and Z. It is actually a Z sound. Riz. Riz. Of is heavy. And for dhamma, make sure you circle your lips very well. Who is 2 counts long vowel. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end and it will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound shouldn't stop when you are given sukoon on ha. Rizquhu. I will say in continuation, rizquhu. How will you stop? Rizquhu. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.